Can't get an OGG file to play on your device or wondering what this format even is? It's actually one of the best open source audio formats available and widely used in gaming and streaming. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through playing, converting, and working with OGG audio files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn OGG files. OGG files are compressed audio files using the Ogg Vorbis open source lossy audio codec developed by the Xiph.org Foundation. They deliver audio quality comparable to MP3 and AAC at similar or lower bit rates. OGG files are widely used in gaming applications, streaming, and open source software ecosystems. Ogg Vorbis files use the Ogg container format with Vorbis-encoded audio data. The codec uses modified discrete cosine transform compression with variable bitrate encoding, typically ranging from 64 to 500 kbps. The format is patent-free and supports metadata tagging through Vorbis comment fields. The core professional tool for handling the OGG format is VLC Media Player from Videoland Project. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows can handle everyday playback, but fine-tuning requires a compatible audio editor. We are checking the software list for a compatible opener. Right-click your OGG file and select Open With. If VLC Media Player is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every possible application. If your OGG file is not opening yet, that is normal. We've got this under control. If the OGG file is still closed, it's one of three basic reasons. Here is a list with the common problems and how to check each one. First, playing OGG files. Open the OGG file in VLC Media Player, which supports Ogg Vorbis natively without additional codecs. Alternatively, use Foobar 2000 Winamp or any modern media player. Most web browsers also play OGG files directly if you drag the file into a browser window. Next, converting to MP3. To convert OGG to MP3 for broader device compatibility use, ffmpeg with the command ffmpeg, I input OGG, codec, de libi mp3 lame, scale, a 2-output.mp3 for high-quality conversion. For a graphical interface, use VLC or Audacity, which both support OGG import and MP3 export with bitrate control. Finally, fixing playback on mobile devices. If OGG files will not play on iOS or certain Android devices, the native player may lack Vorbis support. Install VLC for mobile, which handles OGG natively, or convert files to M4A AAC format. For universal mobile compatibility using the tools described in the previous step. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.